Okay, so what can we do next? Well, we can add some text, or we can add in the eyeball. Let's go over to the Adobe Bridge, and let's go ahead and open up this image of this eye. I'll go ahead and double click on that, and let's get that into Photoshop. All right, great. Let's go ahead and up here to select and select all, and then over here to edit, down here to copy, and then I'll just go ahead and close this eye image. And next what I'll do is click on the topmost layer, and then I'll come over here to edit and paste, and I'll just position that where I think I like it. All I have to do is create a layer mask on that layer, and I'll just name that for right now eye, and then I'll click on that layer mask, then I'll select the brush tool, and I'll make a good size brush here, about 800 pixels or so. And then I'll just come in here and paint on that mask to make that eye just make it look like it's just appearing in the middle of the night. All right, then what I'll do is probably make an adjustment layer for this layer here. So I'll hold down Alt, make a new adjustment layer, and let's use levels again. And then I'll move this white slider, the white arrow here, over to the left to make that darker. Look at that. And I can adjust these brightness controls as well. There we go, and then I'll go ahead and click OK. And it looks like to me I could probably do a little bit better job on that masking, so I'm going to turn up the brush here. Then I'm just going to darken the edges of that just a little bit more, just like that. Alright, so it's looking pretty good. Now for the next step, we're going to create a photo filter. And this is going to help us adjust the color and overlay a color over the entire image and make everything blend in just a little bit better. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to come right over to the Layers palette and click on the Adjustment Layer button. You don't have to hold down Alt, but what I'm going to do is select this option right here, Photo Filter. We can apply this overall warming filter to the image. Look at that. And we can use a custom color here, a custom orange color if we'd like. We have presets, warming filter presets that we can use. We can make it like a cooling filter, a warming filter. We have orange and red and all these other colors that we can use. But I think what I'm going to do for this project is just use an orange here, and I'll just brighten it up a little bit. There we go. And it just makes everything a little bit more warmer and blends everything in together. So far, let's go ahead and zoom into the image and get a little bit closer look at our work. And so we can see what we've done so far. I'm going to press the Tab key on the keyboard. And by doing that, that'll make the palettes and the toolbar disappear. And now we can zoom in and look at the image. Check this out. And I think I'll even go even larger. And this is looking pretty hot. And it still looks a little bit bright. It looks like we almost have a moon shining over on this side of the house or something like that, which is okay. I could make the house darker if I wanted to, but I think, we pretty much get the point here on what's going on. And we have the eye, and then we have the sky here in the back. So let's just continue the project. If you'd like to go ahead and continue, what I'm going to do is start adding the text onto the movie poster.